Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is 20th of May 2021 and we released one strategy already on the other channel for the volatility 75 index rise fall scalping strategy. So this is the volatility 10 index scalping strategy for the rise as well. Briefly before we proceed, let's quickly place one trade. You can see it's down there, so I'm going to explain to you in a bit. Okay, so 0.7. okay, let's close that trade right there. So we are trading the volatility 10 index, and before we go on, for those who haven't purchased our boats, the TOUCHSCALPER boat, is a link to purchase the boat. The boat works on both deriv and binary.com interface, and the version 6.0 is still very effective. The boat is just 9.99 USD, and the link to purchase the boat is right here. You can see some of the results right there: www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. just visit the link to order the boat. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, or perfect money, debit card, bank transfer, and other payment options. The binary PIPSREAPER boat as well is still very effective. You can see some of the results right there. Visit binarypipsreaper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the boat, and don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. You can see here are the links to order the boats. There's a link to order the PIPSREAPER boat, and there's a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat. So check the video description on YouTube to access all these links. So here is a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account, and here are the links to subscribe to all our channels. This is the first channel, the second channel for those who haven't subscribed, and this is the third channel. So let's get back to the trading. I'm using WebTrader, so just log into webtrader.binary.com. then the trade type, open volatility 10 index. Is it right there? Once you open it, change this to up and down, then click on rise, then duration set it to 2 minutes, then the payout, enter the amount you are willing to pay out. Let me just increase this a bit to, let's say 23. Actually I'm staking 11.78, but I only increased the payout to 23. So this amount I'm staking. You have to open the chart as well. Go to charts and go to synthetic indices and volatility 10 index, then you set the time interval here to 1 minute, not tick, 1 minute, so that you'll be able to see the candle right here. Don't move this very close, just leave it as it is. So what you are going to be working with is this red line. What you are going to be working with, once the red line is pushing down, we'll click on purchase. Once it's pushing down, we'll click on purchase. You can see it's going right up. It's going right up. Once it's dropping down, we'll click on purchase. So let's just wait for it to drop down. So it's down there, we'll click on purchase, and we'll be scalping. So once we are plus here, we'll quickly sell at market. That's plus 3. Let me, okay, it has gone up a bit, so we made 5%. That's not bad. So let's do it again. Let's watch. So it's down again, the red line is down again. We view, once we are plus here, plus 6, 7, you can see that's plus again. So you can do this on and on and on again. You can do this on and on and on. Let's watch again. So once it's dropping down, you can see it's going right up. Once it's dropping down, you have to wait. Once it's dropping down, we'll be clicking on purchase again. So we don't have to wait till 2 minutes. You have to be selling at market as fast as possible once we are hitting plus. So we are scalping, so just wait again for it to drop down. You can see the red line. Don't forget to change the time interval to 1 minute. You can see it's going right up, so we have to wait for it to drop down. Let's wait for it to drop down. Okay, still dropping down. let's just wait. Okay, it's dropping down there, so let's view. Okay, that's +4 right there, so let's just place few more trades again. Okay, it's dropping down again. You can see the red lines is dropping down. You'll be seeing it. Make sure you watch it very carefully. It's going up, so you have to wait. You have to wait. Okay, it's dropping down there. Okay, so you can see we want all these trades. You can go on and on and on. You can go on and on. Just make sure you watch the movement carefully. Just make sure you watch the movement carefully. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Remember, we drop the cryptocurrency trading video sequences, so we'll be dropping more videos on the trading proper very soon. Just subscribe to all our channels and watch out for those videos. And for those who haven't purchased the boats, the TOUCHSCALPER boats and the PIPSREAPER boats, just visit the order pages to place your order for the boats. Just place your order for the boats. Thanks for watching. Bye.